Hey guys, Chef Billy Parisi here. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Cajun shrimp jambalaya. Immediately add a Dutch oven pot to the cooktop. We're going to add in some chopped up bacon and we want to cook this until crispy brown. Once it is brown, go ahead and set it to the side in a small bowl. We will be using this later. Go right back to that pot and melt some whole unsalted butter. Time to caramelize some yellow onions, so add them in and take the time to caramelize them up. While they are browning, go back to your cutting board. We're going to make a spice blend. Add in some sea salt, some ground mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, and thyme. Using a small spoon, go ahead and give it a little stir until it's completely mixed together. Go ahead and set it to the side and go back over to the onions. You'll see that they're beautifully caramelized and brown for full flavor. So add back in the crispy cooked bacon. Let's finish off the holy trinity with our celery, bell peppers. Next, we're going to add in some garlic, some fresh tomatoes, a little bit of the spice blend that we created. And at this point, we want to stew it down until the tomatoes break down, and you'll notice that the liquid in there will become nice and thick. While it's cooking down, let's go back over to the cutting board and thinly slice up some andouille sausage. Set it to the side in a bowl, and now we're going to slice up some chicken. I've got some thigh meat that I'm going to thinly slice. And because my family doesn't like all dark meat, I'm going to add in some sliced chicken tenders. Put that in a bowl. Set that to the side. And go ahead and replace your cutting board with a new clean one. We're going to dice up some shrimp. I'm using 16/20s, so 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. Let's go back over to that pot and you'll see that our stew is absolutely gorgeous and it smells amazing in my kitchen. You will absolutely love to try this at this point. Let's go ahead and add in our andouille sausage, followed up by our sliced chicken. We're going to stir it around a few times to coat everything up. And to finish cooking it, go ahead and put the top on, let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is completely cooked through. Let's add in some tasty chicken stock, followed up by some long grain white rice. Gonna put in our chopped up shrimp, along with some more of the Cajun spice blend that we created. We're going to stir it, put a lid on it, and cook it until the rice is done, about 15 minutes. Let's go back and have a look. You can see the rice is cooked perfectly. All of the vegetables are roasted, yet still al dente, slightly crunchy. All of it is wonderfully cooked. Let's go ahead and serve it up in a very, very large bowl. And for garnish, I've used chopped parsley, green onions, and fresh thyme. This is an incredibly easy to make dish, incredibly classic, comforting, and just one of those dishes that you can eat all day long. If you're looking for more great recipes and ideas, be sure to visit billyparisi.com.